Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can use Beehiiv. So here you can see the website. So simply click on the website. Now first starting click on the start right. Now here you have to provide your name, your last name, your email and your password, and you can also continue with Google here. Now here after that they will ask you to verify your phone number. Here you have to choose your country and write your phone number. Then they will send a verification code on your phone number and you have to verify your phone number. Now here after verifying your phone number and your email, the account will be created. Here you can see your account. So here you have this dashboard where you can see this writing option where you can write, and here you can use a draft or you can use templates. Open the blank draft and you can see how it looks. You can see first you have to compose, then you have to grow your audience, then you have to use the email, web, and then you can review. These are the simple steps that you have to follow. Now here let's talk about how you can create a newsletter. For that here you have different options. Here you can see add thumbnail, add author and add tags. Here you can add a thumbnail. Simply click on add a thumbnail, and here you have two options. You can upload image from file or you can use from library. Here I am posting the logo. You can see that. Simply now choose upload and you can see your logo here. Similarly here you can add a title and subtitle. So here I have written the title and subtitle. Now here you can type. Here you have different options. Here you have this option where you can use it for bullet list, numerical list, button, images, code block, tables and all these things. So I will just go with image. Similarly here you can upload an image from your gallery or you can use from library. So I will just use from library. Now here I will choose this photo as you can see on the screen as well. Now here you can see that we have added our image in our newsletter. Now if I show you example, here you can see that they have added the image in their newsletter, and that's how you can do that. And the best thing here you can do that is you can import your audience here. So how you can import your audience here? Now here in audience you will be able to see all your audience. You can see here all the free subscriber, and here you can also see this web audience and all these things. So for importing you have to go back and you have to click on this audience option. Then in audience you can see this option called subscriber. You have to go there, and here in subscriber you can see the option import subscriber where you can import your subscriber. For importing simply click on that. Now here you can see this option import subscriber. Simply click on new subscriber import. Here you can choose up to 10 subscriber and you can make a list. So here for that simply click on that. Now here you have import meta where you can upload a CSV file, and here you can upload that CSV file. Here you can also have this copy and paste email where you can copy and paste simply your email. Here if I show you the example of CSV file, for that I will go to Google. Now here in Google you can see this CSV file. Here you can see the email, the name, last name and the email template where you can see the information about them. This is what the CSV file looks like. Here you have to upload one, and that's how you can import your subscriber. Now here I will also show you the email post, how you should email them. So you should give them freedom whether it can follow you or unfollow you. So here always start with like, hello, this is my newsletter, you can have a look and thanks for your time, and like that you can explain to them why you are sending this to them, and then most of them use these ticks. Now on the screen you can also see some of the email post examples, how your email should be. After composing an audience you have this email up. Now here in the sending details you can see the subject line and the premium text and all this. Now here you can see that I have added the subject line and the premium text, and here you can also see this email header button where you can allow social and you can allow here comments and likes, because that will gonna engage the audience more. Now here you also have this option called read online. You can also allow online reading if you want to. Here you have to enter your URL, and after that you can allow online reading. Now the next one is web, where you can post your URL. Here you can see your URL, you can copy that, and here you have to post your thumbnails, and after that you can also choose here advanced email captures and comments. Here you can use pop or gate if you want to. Here I will go with pop, and here you have comments where you can use if all subscriber can comment you or only paid can comment you. So if you are a starter then choose only all subscriber, and after that you can use here the paid one. Here you also have this option audio newsletter. You can also allow here news. Here you have to choose one voice and you can allow that if you want to. So it's better to allow that because it's nice reading online and with the help of audio. Here you can also write meta titles and meta descriptions for your Facebook and LinkedIn if you want to. Here you can also choose your post visibility, and here you can also use this customized setting where you can select a date on which you want to publish this newsletter. You can choose any if you want to. For that you can review and publish. Now here I will show you some newsletter, and then I will teach you how you can create something like that. Here you can see that this newsletter has really less space between the lines. So how you can adjust your line spacing? For that you have to come to this font setting. Here you have space between paragraph. Now you can see that how much space we have between the paragraph. You can reduce this space. Now you will see that now we have exactly the same space as shown in the newsletter example, And here you can also change the font color as well. You can see that I have changed that. Now here you can see these newsletter with a good font heading. So how you can create one? For that you have to go to headings. Now here in headings you have this font size where you can adjust the size, and here you can also adjust the color. And similarly here you can also choose a different style, and this is the process you can follow for all the headings. Now in this newsletter you can see a block in the bottom. Here you can see this block. So how you can customize that? So here you can also change this block's color. Now here you can see that I have chosen here a blue color for this style. Here now you can also change the border on the block. So here you can see that I'm changing the border to pink. That's how you can do the changes. Now here you can see this newsletter, and here you can see that many blocks has different color. So how you can do that? For that you have to go to the block, and then in the block you can go to the background, and here in the background you can apply a background for that block. You can see here we have changed the background for the block, and that's how you can do these type of changes. Now here you can see our newsletter is ready. Here you can see that this newsletter is customized by us. Here you can see that we have changed the text color for the whole newsletter, and you can also customize these headings as I teach you. And here I have also added bullet point. You can do that. And here if I scroll down, here you can also see the last border style. Here I have changed the color for that as well. And here you can see all these changes, and you can also see the image here as well. That was a newsletter created from scratch. Here you can see some templates as well. Here you can use their neuron template. You can see how it looks. And if we scroll down, you can see more of the feature for these templates. Here you can use these templates, and you can edit that, and you can use that according to your own taste. Here you also have this one more template, the milk road. You can see here more about these templates. Now here similarly you can see one more template. You can see how it looks. Here you can also customize these templates. Before that Beehiiv don't offer any templates, but now you can see that you can have access to templates in Beehiiv, and you can create a newsletter by these templates. This will save your time and energy. Now you can see the website. Here this is how the website looks. Now if we scroll down to show you more about the website, here you can see all about the website, and here you also have 30-day free trial. You can access that. Here you can log in and you can start your free trial. So this is how the Beehiiv works. Here they also have this chat box assistant where you can use that, and you can ask different question to this chat box. Well, here they will show you their plans. Here you can see their launch, their scale, max, and the enterprise plans. Here you can buy these plans for monthly or yearly subscription, and here you also have to buy these plans on the basis of their subscribers. Now for example, if you have 1,000 subscribers only, then you can see their prices for the monthly and the yearly packages. Here you can see the prices for both monthly and yearly packages. And now if I go and if I change the subscriber to more, now if I choose here 10,000, you can see that launch plan is no more accessible. Now here you have access to the scale, max, and enterprise, and you can also see their monthly and the yearly packages prices. And here if I change to even more subscriber, now here you can see that price has even changed, and higher prices you have, the more subscriber you have, the more the price will be. Now here I will choose the launch, and I will start my free trial. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.